This is the Glendale. Oh, sorry, the Glendale. Sorry, the Glendale is a 52 inches LED light indoor ceiling fan. This one has a white finish with a frosted glass sheets, and also extended mounting option shown is sold separately. So this one has the white blades. So as you can see, the lights here. So is a 52 inches by 18.9, 52 wide and 52 inches wide, and 18.9 is in height. And also the Glendale, this one is 52 inches, made for indoor. So actually this one uses the standard bulb, so it's up to 20 watts or LED equivalent. Also has the reversible blade finish. As you can see, it's like brown and white. Has a quiet motor, so it's kind of very quiet, silent. And this one has more. This side actually has more details. So you can see the blades is also reversible. You can see two different colors, white and the other one. The motor is 3-speed, wobble free, reversible. It's a quiet, and some more details in here. This one for a greater room, like bigger rooms, greater than 56 inches. It's for the larger room, 48 by 65 inches. Here is also the airflow, how much airflow can give you in different, and depends on the size of the room. Also the recommended download length per ceiling height. So as you can see, for each height, this is what you have to do in centimeter or in inches. You can extend it. You can. This is how the blades look like. This is a very nice one. This is another one by Hampton Bay. This is actually the Glendale. So this is the Glendale. Glendale 52 inches LED indoor ceiling fan in a white finish. There's another ceiling fan by Hampton Bay. Glendale is a very good one too.